This home theater is one of the biggest home theater of Urjit Vilas because no one in this venture has got more than a 20 feet room.
Yes.
Yes. So you've got a luxury seating with 3 tier.
As far as you guys have done, it's a fantastic job.
Oh,
I
thank
think
you
it
so
is
much.
outright
Yeah.
very professional in terms of. So just looking at the initial drawing which we got for the room, just seeing that drawing, my mind was at ease.
Oh.
So with one remote, I think we can control all the sources, Apple TV, Blu-ray,
Including the aspect
including the
ratio.
lights, including the aspect ratio and all.
Yeah. Hi friends, this is your Magesh, your AV consultant, and today we are in Urjit Villas, one of the biggest ventures in Tellapur, and we are in a home theater which belongs to Mr. Rakesh Garu, and this home theater is one of the biggest home theater of Urjit Villas. I should mention this as the dimensions of this home theater is around 30 feet plus in length and width wise around 16 plus feet and height wise around 9.5 feet. So in this home theater, we have done a nice Dolby Atmos setup with a large wide screen. So let's discuss about that with Mr. Akesh Garu, who is owning this entire, luxury cinema. So hi Akesh Garu.
Hi Magesh.
Yeah. So Akesh Garu, like initially, how did you get to modify the room and get to this size of the?
So in the initial plan, it was supposed to be a very smaller room.
Yes.
But I was very particular that I wanted a bigger room
Mhm.
so that I can have more seats in, and so that I have as big as a screen as I can.
Oh, nice. That was something out of box thinking because no one in this venture has got more than a 20 feet room.
Yes.
Yes. So you've got a luxury seating with 3 tier. That's amazing looking itself. And so how was the entire outlook of acoustic or interiors?
Okay. So basically, I have a lot of interest. So I've done home theater project in my own house back in 2010 when I was studying in college. That was a THX 7.1 setup, I think. But it was not done professionally because I did it. So I made a lot of mistakes. I did get the projector and all from Singapore. I got the THX from the Onkyo dealership. But I told the people working put the four surround channels on the back to the wall. They placed it 10 feet high on the wall.
Oh,
and it was not a closed off room as such. So the windows were rattling a lot. So this time when I wanted to get it done, wanted to get it done professionally from A to Z. I didn't want to get involved because the more I get involved, the more it might go not professional.
Of course, you're technical too.
I just know about the technicals, but yeah, I think let's leave the acoustics and all to the professionals and the calibration and all. So as far as you guys have done, it's a fantastic job.
Oh,
I think it is outright very professional in terms of. So just looking at the initial drawing which we got for the room, just seeing that drawing, my mind was at ease.
Oh.
So it was very calculated based on what is the viewing distance you require from one step to the other, or how, because I wanted to make the screen as big as possible. So I was like 69 low, can we do it even more bigger? But due to the height constraints of the ceiling,
correct.
I think
there's only 9 feet. Yes,
because it is 9 feet and we have a beam.
And we need a wall to wall almost image fit. Yeah. And so 2.35 is the size that we have gone.
2.35.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So that was the main intention. And also there were beams, I guess, in the top side.
Exactly. So this center section had 2 beams. So that's why we had to
and
also the top.
And also the AC positioning and all, everything fell into place properly in this room. Even the lighting has come out very good, blended with the fabric paneling and all. That's amazing. So how did you first arrive at, I mean, did you select the speakers and brands or things like that?
So I visited the store in Somanjiguda. I think your dad was in Naramurthy Garu. So we took a couple of demos in, I think, there are 3 different rooms. In the RO 3D, I think there's one JVC and there's one Sony.
Correct.
There's 3 rooms. So while leaving, your dad asked only one thing, like what kind of sound system do you want? Do you want something for musical experience or do you want something like a movie theater experience? I'm like, I definitely want something which is like a movie theater experience. I think based on that, the recommendation what we got of is QSC.
Yes.
Which is actually what is used in theaters.
The PVR theaters.
So the other day I went to Iron Hill Brewery somewhere and everywhere I found QSC speakers.
Yeah. That's the same speakers there.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Huh. So that's how the speaker recommendation went. And the projector also, we initially thought we'll go for the Sony one. But later,
Looking at the aspect ratio.
looking at the aspect ratio, I wanted the memory lens feature. So
There's a basic projector which has got 2.35 aspect ratio, switching between 16:9.
it has you can switch in the remote. You don't have to do it manually every time.
And the beauty part is you also have a remote to operate the entire thing.
Yeah,
So,
so-
on RF base, that also.
Yeah,
So-
and on your
Yes.
suggestion, we
Yes.
went with the RTI
yes.
automation.
Yes.
So with one remote, I think we can control all the sources, Apple TV, Blu-ray,
Including the aspect
including the
ratio.
lights, including the aspect ratio and all.
Yeah, that's a fantastic part of this
Yeah.
entire integration.
Exactly. I mean, without that, I think
It's like too much of hassles.
too many remotes to handle.
I think you can operate, but the family cannot
So
operate. Yeah.
till now, everybody were asking me, how do I start it up? How do I set it up? I'm like, wait till the automation is done. If I teach you now, it is pointless.
Yes.
I'll have to again teach you the automation
Yes.
part. One more thing. So usually sound calibration, audio calibration, I never thought they played so much importance or how it could change, the sound in a particular room. Before, when I set it up in 2010, they had this Odyssey
Yes.
beamforming thing.
The auto calibration.
The auto calibration.
tools. Yes.
I felt it didn't add anything much to it. So from then I had a very less, confidence in sound calibration and all. I thought it was more to do with the speakers and how much wattage you set up with, and those kind of things. But I think after seeing Magesh work his magic on the amp and
Thank you.
calibrating with the mic, I think it changed my entire perspective regards calibration.
Yeah, calibration plays a vital role after placement of the acoustics and the speakers. So as per the seating, we'll have to calibrate it with the microphone, and we'll have to analyze the graph and again feed the graph into the system. So that makes a lot.
Yeah,
of
so that plays a heavy
Yes.
importance. So
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. And thank you so much, Akesh garu. So చూసారు కదండి, ఈ రోజు మనం ఇక్కడ అకేష్ గారి హోమ్ థియేటర్ లో వి జస్ట్ ఎంజాయింగ్ దిస్ మూవీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. సో క్యాచ్ యూ విత్ నెక్స్ట్ home theater and lot more technology updates. See you then. This is Magesh signing off, your AV consultant.
అన్ని తెలిసి ఏకంగా నా మీదే ఎలక్షన్ లో నిలబడినావంటే.
If you like watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.